Part 2. Sorry, our grandma came in, but 3 to 4 of those crispy K, Special K cereal. And then I'll take my dirtier spoon and kind of crush it. And if you want, you can blend it up before, but I like to crunch it because it's like a Rice Krispie. So just crunch it up a little bit.
Smells good.
It's peanut butter. And then mash it up and mix it around. And it should kind of be in this type of consistency. And if you want it a little bit thicker, then you can add some more chocolate as well.
You can add chocolate too.
I'm going to add 2 more. I just like it a little bit less peanut buttery than the full. And I do recommend having a bigger bowl. But this is just our special bowl for our channel. See how it's the wooden? So you will see that bowl a lot. Just kind of smash it up a little bit. Alright, so then when you mix it, you can put it in a pan, you can eat it how it is. You can let it chill in the fridge, how most people do it. Let me try this. Not good. Okay, so I'm just going to use a paper plate because it's a lot easier. Pour it out of the bowl or whatever you're mixing it in and flatten it on a paper plate so then you can place it in the freezer. And once it is completely hardened, you can put chocolate on the top. I'm going to put it in the freezer for about 15 to 20 minutes, just depending on how chilled you like it. There's about 5 minutes left to our cooling, and I'm just going to make the chocolate sauce. And these are open, but they're Baker's Cocoa baking chocolate squares. And so I'm just going to be using those, but you can use any type of chocolate you want. I think we should maybe do 1 or 2. I'll melt 1 just to start. And these have been in the fridge, but this is what they look like. And I'll just break it in half. If I can. We're back. I finally got it broke. I had a little help from the cameraman. So I'm just going to place it in this bowl. You could set this in a pot of water that's boiling on the stove, but I choose to do the microwave because that's a lot easier and pretty much safer, especially if you have gas. So let's take this over to the microwave. I'm just going to set it in there for now, and you shall put it in the microwave according to its directions. See, it has easy microwave melting. Microwave 1 unwrapped chocolate square in a microwavable bowl on high, 30 seconds, and then you get to stir it. So, just that. And I am just going to go and follow. I will shut this door in place in 30 seconds and start it up. I'll take it out of the microwave, and since I used a different bowl, it's not hot. And as you see, it's not even melted. Seems it doesn't even like. So I'm going to put it in for a minute and see what happens because mine was in the fridge, so I'm just going to try that. Alright. Take them out. Ooh, that's hot this time. Bring it over the counter. They're slightly melted. So if you do have these Baker's chips, I'd recommend cutting them smaller because that would probably help a lot. Oof. Those are not wanting to melt. So I'm just going to set it on this empty wrapper so that I don't get the counter dirty. I'll place it in the microwave for another 30 seconds so then I don't wreck the chocolates, because if you put it in for too long, you know how it might get like sticky or hard and then it just won't work. So be careful when you're doing that. Well, chocolates are done, and so are our treats. But I don't know if these are all melted, which they're not, of course. It's little stubborn things. And I think that we might need more of a chocolate sauce. What do you think?
No.
I'm going to put them in for another 35 seconds this time. There.